I'm Tyler, this is Noah, Ryan's behind the camera, and we're going to do a documentary on the Lehigh Gap Nature Center.
The Lehigh Gap Nature Center is located in Slatington, Pennsylvania, around here.
At the Lehigh Gap Nature Center, there is very little litter. Litter is not good. So if there's no litter at the Lehigh Gap Nature Center, that means the environment will be more healthy.
The Lehigh Gap Nature Center is a super fun site. What that means is there's a wall protecting it that makes it the people who damage it, so the people who own the factory and made that acid rain that destroyed everything on it, has to pay for it to be fixed. So the people who are now fixing it gets money from the people who damage it to buy all the stuff that they need to make it back to normal.
At the Lehigh Gap Nature Center, it has changed so much from about 2 decades ago. About 2 decades ago, there was acid rain that has killed all the plants. Nothing. It went from being, just imagine, rocks. And then it changed from being very rocky to now, like, beautiful. All kinds of plants, weeds, wildlife, animals. Also, it helps out that there's not a lot of litter.
So the Lehigh Gap Nature Center consists of many plants. Now, here are just most of them, really. And they have labeled each one, like if you come over here, this is a narrow-leafed mountain mint. Okay? And they labeled all of them so you kind of know which ones are the ones you're going to see.
Alright, so as you can see, this is a service barrier right here.
And this is one tree out of multiple that can be found on
The Lehigh Gap Nature Center
trails.
At the Lehigh Gap Nature Center, there are many plants. Some plants have been planted, some plants have grown from after the acid rain. At the Lehigh Gap Nature Center, acid rain kills everything. Acid rain is rainfall caused by air pollution.
Why build a living room? It helps buildings keep cool in the summer. Plus, it helps plants survive.
It also stays warm in the winter.
Some of the plants on this living room are the three-tooth plant, the June grass, that's the sticky catchfly.
Nothing came out.
There's some more.
Nothing came out.
And a loon the dwarf crested iris. Then also the spotted bee balm. There are some more.
This is Nate. He went on a 7th grade trip to the Lehigh Gap Nature Center, and we're going to ask him about his trip. So here.
I enjoyed all the nature on this trip. I thought there was a good amount. I like how they restored everything. It looks really nice, and I think it'll look good in a couple years.
How was the hike? Was it tiring?
It was tiring, but it was fun at the same time. I definitely enjoyed it.
That's an opinion from our fellow classmate.